Hey, welcome back, guys. So yes, I was gone for a little bit, but I took some well-deserved time off. I finally got to some modifications I wanted to do on my Q50 rebuild, and then I actually got sick with COVID, and then I might have got re-addicted to one of my favorite mobile games. But nonetheless, I'm back, and make sure you stick to the end of this video because I am going to explain how much I would have made if I was monetized right off the bat before I had to wait for the threshold, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and how much I would have got with this amount of views on TikTok. Also, briefly, I'm going to mention TikTok's lawsuit that they got going on right now and when you can apply. I think it's till March 30th or the middle of March of this year, 2022, and they're going to be giving out $90 million. And I don't know why I'm still talking because I know you guys want to see my analytics, so let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so we're here in my YouTube studio on my channel dashboard, and look at this, 56 days since my last upload. That's crazy. I don't usually go that long without an upload, but let's go over to my analytics. And I haven't even been uploading for the last 2 months, and I've still made $120 in the last 28 days. My views are up and my watch time is up. So I mean, thank you for that. That's kind of insane that that's possible. Like I said, 30 days. So let's go ahead to my revenue tab. And the first 30 days, I got monetized literally the day before Thanksgiving. So I already wrote it down. It's November 24th to December 23rd. Real quick, before I punch those dates in, I do want to let you know I might have clickbaited you a little bit with the thumbnail.
Look at this dude.
But we're having so much fun, so stick around. Alright guys, so here it is. In the first 30 days of YouTube, I made a whopping $158.94, which might not seem a lot, and it's not, but for the amount of views I'm getting on my channel, I only have 1,000 subscribers. This is actually really good. I don't know what happened this day. I just made $17 in one day, and they've actually already paid me for this, so it wasn't like a glitch or anything. The analytics on this were insane. I'm gonna show you my CPM per video, and it's just mind-blowing. But as you can see, on average, I make about like $5 a day. The main thing you guys want to see is CPM. The actual acronym stands for cost per milli, which means how much advertisers are willing to pay for 1,000 views. And then RPM is how much you're actually pocketing after YouTube takes their cut. I believe their cut is 45% or 40%. It's almost half. It's a little bit under half. So RPM is what's going into your wallet. Like that's already YouTube's cut, everything. And that even includes people who might have ad blockers that you don't get ad revenue for, because not all 1,000 of your views are going to be monetized views. And I think this is a good time to let you know that the actual average CPM for a YouTuber is $2. So I'm like beyond grateful for what I got right now. It's just a matter of scaling this up, and you know, instead of getting 1,000 views every 2 days, get 100,000, and this is gonna be 10x. So, or 100x.
You smart.
Alright, since we understand the terminology of CPM and RPM, let's scroll down a little bit further and we'll see my top earning videos for that time period. And as you can see right here, my side hustle real estate app actually made the most money in that time period over my traffic ticket video, which is pretty ironic. And this is why it's important to understand CPM, because this video right here, the traffic ticket video, is actually my #1 ranking video by views on my channel over this one. And if we go to the video in general, and we'll see how much views it gets, this one only gets 44 views per 48 hours. And this one is literally, I don't know, 6 times that amount, if not more, with 300 views every 48 hours. But still, this one got more because if you go to revenue, my CPM on this video is $52 compared to the CPM on this video, which is 13. So even though it got less views, it makes 5 times more per view that I get because it's in the finance niche, and finance niches, I think if I'm not mistaken, are the highest paying niches on YouTube. And it gets even crazier. If you go to December 8th, that day that I got $17 in one day compared to my usual 5, you'll see my CPM just skyrocketed. For I don't know why this happened. I thought it was a glitch initially, but I already got paid for this period, so I don't know. My CPM was $1,200, which is just insane. I think that's literally $1 per view. And of course, I only got 11 views that day compared to like 45 here and whatnot. So total, I made $158 for the 30 days. And I know it's not much, but it's passive income. Like I said, I haven't uploaded for the last 2 months and I'm still making money. So if we go to the recent revenue tab, so in the last 28 days, I'm still making money every day. Like yesterday, I made $6.43 and I haven't uploaded in 2 months. So that's the power of passive income. And the reason why my CPM and RPM is down is because the videos that are actually getting views right now consistently are videos that are not in the finance niche. There's only one in here that's in the finance niche. It's more like medical field and kind of other stuff. So those typically get paid less compared to the finance niche. So that's why I do have a little dip in my CPM. So just for fun, let's see how much my channel would have made if I was initially monetized from the get-go, because I did get about 100,000 views on my channel before I even got the chance to be monetized. So if we go to my channel, I made about 130K views already. And if we go to my channel analytics, we can see here my RPM is 1414. So if we just plug that into the calculator, I would have made $1,800 already, which is still probably not worth it, but with all the effort I put into this channel. But just for fun, let's see how much I would have made gross before YouTube's cut, because so my CPM is 21, so basically $22 multiplied by 130. I would have made almost $3,000. And if you want to see how much you would have made on TikTok with this amount of views, so let's say I got 130,000 views. TikTok's CPM is actually 2 to 4 cents. So let's just say 3 cents. Oops, too many zeros. I would have made a whopping $4.
Money on my phone, I mean I talk to the money. Money on my chain, I mean the money hang with me.
Granted, you do get views easier on TikTok, but still, Mr. Beast makes over 100 million views per TikTok, and he only makes about like $25 a day on TikTok from what I've seen recently. And that's the perfect segue to talk about TikTok's class action lawsuit. So if you did end up using TikTok before September 30th of 2021, you are entitled to the split of $90 million that TikTok is paying out to their users. And I'll leave the link down in the description where you can apply to this class action lawsuit. So yeah, you can read through it and submit a claim. And if you're in Illinois, definitely submit the claim because you can get up to 6 times more. And I wouldn't wait too long because the deadline to submit your claim is March 1st of this year. And hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye.
Money on my Kool-Aid, that mean my money sweet.